Hi, welcome to the Machine Shop. I'm your instructor, Tyler Fothergill. In here, we make just about anything that comes to mind. With CNC machining, we are able to do all kinds of fun little projects throughout our coursework here at Northwest Florida State. We have a total of 8 machines. The TM3Ps here and over there, as well as a couple of mini mills, a couple of VF1s, and a couple of ST10s. These CNC machines I introduced to students and allowed them to learn through hand coding G-code and then moving on to actually programming through Fusion 360 and FeatureCam. We're able to make all kinds of parts in here. As one little example here, our magnum opus is this little guy. This is a glow engine. As you can see, it does not have the spark plug there, right? My students all constructed the piece of this engine in here, and they are able to go and learn about tolerance stacking, about how to read prints, how to model, how to program in said model, and then how to take that program and produce it here in one of these machines. And if they can do it, you can do it. It's hard work, but it's a lot of fun. And here at Northwest Florida State College, we are not just transforming metal, we are transforming lives.